Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Android Studio and the SDK so the emulator tools are available. Once done, enable CPU virtualization in your BIOS or UEFI. This drastically improves performance. Next, open Android Studio, go to AVD Manager and choose Create Virtual Device. Pick a hardware profile that matches your target device. Make sure to install the matching system image when prompted so the emulator has an OS to boot. This gets you out of prerequisites and into the first actionable build step. Now you configure the AVD details so it behaves like a real device. Choose an x86 system image for best performance and set an API level compatible with your app. Then adjust memory and storage. Too little RAM causes slow boots. Too much can break host stability. Make sure hardware graphics acceleration is enabled and select the correct camera and sensor pass-through if needed. Once configured, save and create the AVD. You can also enable snapshots to speed repeated launches and test cold boots as part of validation. You finish by launching the emulator and deploying your app from Android Studio or with a DB install. Test core features using Logcat and emulator controls like rotate, GPS, and network throttling to validate behavior. If the emulator is slow or fails to boot, first confirm virtualization drivers. Intel Haxum, WHPX, or Hypervisor are installed and active. If problems persist, wipe the AVD data or lower RAM and try again. This troubleshooting step usually resolves common boot and performance failures, so you can continue testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.